Or another carburetor. This one's got the hose coming out the side so it won't hit the engine. This one's exactly like the one that was on it. Came with another filter too. So we'll put this on, see if this runs better. New brake lever came. The old one has an 8mm brake line. This one has a 10. So I'm going to try to, I drilled this out, the banjo bolt, because I don't need it. I'm going to try to drill and tap that. Because there's the, just has a straight in style hose. So I don't need a banjo bolt. Got that little carburetor on there. Turn the gas on, and it's been fueling up for a little bit. Let's see if it starts, runs any better. Might have to idle it up a little bit. Well, that little insert we had made, I didn't have enough tools. I had to go over to my wife's son. I didn't have the proper size drill bit. So we made a little insert out of that banjo bolt. Just used a threaded part. Made a little adapter. That's working now. It's got brakes. Don't seem to be leaking. So we're all done with it. It's running. So there it is, all done. Got it running for him. Bye. I pushed photo earlier instead of video, so I did like a 2-minute video just on picture. So I'm coming back and redoing it. Got it all done. This carburetor works a whole lot better than that other one. It's a lot more smooth. Don't want to take it all at once yet. Took that front tire off too and greased them bearings. They were pretty rough. Had some rough spots in them, in and under water. You can tell from that, especially with that old gas tank was on there. Let's see how high this water was up. That water was up, clear up to here. So, got it going for him.